So if you clicked on this video today, you might be wondering if you are making any of these mistakes that will make you look older. So stay tuned. I'm Kelly, this is my best friend Christina, and we're here to share with you today not only what those 5 mistakes are, but how you can fix them so that you can look and feel your absolute best. And we're so happy to be partnering up with Express for today's video. We love shopping at Express. They have such beautiful, high quality pieces that are super on trend, but also lots of great classics as well. And we've got some great things to share with you on how you can correct those mistakes and start looking and feeling your absolute best at any age.
Yes, and absolutely. We're going to also have everything that we're sharing with you today linked down below, as well as also all the information regarding sizing. But if this is your first time here, definitely make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. We release videos every Sunday and Thursday, and of course, we'd love to have you join us. You can also follow us over on Instagram at Mommy's Makeup Moscato.
Okay, so the first mistake you might be making that could be making you look older is by using a very dated handbag. So there are so many great handbags out there right now, so many trends, everything from crossbody to satchels to tote bags. However, if you haven't updated your handbag for years, it may be time for a refresh, because a handbag that is looking very worn or tattered is definitely going to age you as well. Or a handbag that maybe the style has changed a lot, maybe it's just not very current. You're going to want to get rid of that and find something that's really up to date, that's going to keep you looking fresh and modern, which therefore translates to looking younger.
Yes, and also you want to kind of pay attention to the season, right?
Yes.
So if they have a, spring and summer, bringing out some of these linen or canvas style bags are a great one. So we have found 2 bags from Express that we are absolutely loving in this canvas material. So this is great for the season. It also has this beautiful floral print that's on it, one in a more neutral color. The other one has this beautiful fuchsia flower that's on it. And you may see that this looks very similar to these high-end book tote style bags that are very on trend. However, you can get the same look for less. It's a great style bag, one that's beautiful and really will just elevate some of those more neutral outfits. So the second mistake that is making you look old is wearing jeans that are outdated. So Kelly and I, we love jeans. We wear jeans all the time. But if you are styling jeans with those like old, outdated, like jegging style skinny jeans, make sure you go ahead and just toss those or donate them. It will absolutely make your outfit look very dated. The other thing you want to look at is anything that has like a lot of excessive distressing on it. That was something that was much trendier before, and now really want to kind of just stay away from that as well. And the third thing could also be a jean that has a lot of these like embellishments. Some of them have like some rhinestone kind of detailing that's along the pocket. So any of these type of details can really take an outfit that could look very modern and fresh and instead give you a very like outdated type of feel.
Yes, so if you're looking for new jeans, Express is definitely a great place to start because they have so many wonderful options. We recently picked up several different, very current styles that will really help your outfit look fresh and modern and make you feel much younger. Everything from this skyscraper jean, which is a beautiful lengthening jean that still has a little bit of a slim leg line. However, it's a little bit looser at the bottom with a side slit. Very sexy, very cute. We also found some slim straight style jeans. Some are a little bit cropped, and this slim straight style is great if you really love your skinny jeans and you're having a hard time moving into this baggier style, because you're still going to get a beautiful slim look to the leg, but without having that squeezing effect on the ankle that can really make you look older. And of course, there's also great flare options, regular colors like medium wash, or this beautiful like light cream color is really trending. Neutral color jeans are super hot. So think about choosing jeans that have a more relaxed fit, things that aren't super tight, minimal distressing. We still love our distressing, but we keep it minimal, just a little bit in a few chosen spots. Also think about neutral colors or lighter medium washes to dark washes, no colored denim, and Express has you covered in all of these current looks. So the third way that you really could be making yourself look older is through your shoes. We all know that the wrong shoes can really kill a beautiful outfit. And specifically in spring and summer, we're wearing a lot of sandals. So we wanted to address the sandal issue. If you're still wearing these big, heavy, thick straps of sandals, they really can be aging. Everything from that like Birkenstock kind of style to the ones that have like Velcro straps all over the foot. They're really just very aging. And I do know that like some of these styles may be worn by some really young, like college kids or whatever. However, when you are a mature woman and you put those on with a beautiful dress or a skirt or a crop pair of jeans, they just tend to look very dated. So you definitely want to avoid those like overly chunky thick straps that are all over your feet, or any kind of like Velcro straps or big black dark sandals. They're just not going to give you a very modern and fresh look.
Yes, and a lot of people might actually think that this is the style of shoe that they need to wear in order to be comfortable, but you really don't have to sacrifice comfort for style. So we found a couple pair at Express, some beautiful metallics. So metallics are definitely a big trend that's going on, along with these smaller strap details. So we found a silver pair that's really beautiful that has a couple of smaller straps that go right across the foot, as well as this beautiful rose gold that has some strapping detail on it. So just by switching out from these chunkier, thicker, more outdated type of shoes to some of these more sleeker, more current type of shoes, you really can make yourself look younger and stylish. I think this next mistake is probably the biggest offender in making you look older, and that is wearing shapeless dresses. So you ladies have all seen those style dresses. They are these big tent type of dresses. These are the type of dresses that you could probably imagine like are your grandmother's like nightgown style of dress. They are big, they are oversized. A lot of them tend to also have a very high neckline, so they're not elongating your neck at all. Has a lot of extra material along your arms, making your arms look wider than they are. Of course, they don't have any sort of waist definition, so you've got no shape whatsoever. It's just basically like a huge piece of fabric that someone has cut and then cut out a little hole in it, and then you've thrown it onto your body.
Oh yes, it is not a good look. I'm not sure who came up with this and who they thought it would be flattering on, but if you are looking for a dress that does the opposite and is going to make you look and feel beautiful and younger, one of our personal favorite style of dresses are shirt dresses. Shirt dresses are going to do all the things for your figure that you don't get from those shapeless dresses. So first of all, they're going to add some weight definition by creating a belt in the middle and really cinching that smallest part of your body. We also found these beautiful ones that really elongate by having the buttons here and the collar. We love these dresses. I picked one up in green, Christina picked up the black, and we both fell in love with these because they just do so much for your body. They elongate by having a little bit of an open neck. You can adjust it to where you're comfortable with. You can also roll up the sleeves to show some of your arm. They're the perfect length, a little bit mini, but just right, and they're just so flattering on the body. They're going to give you all the shape that you're looking for and definitely help you to look and feel younger. Okay, so the last mistake you might be making that may be making you look older than you are is by choosing the wrong t-shirts. So we all know that t-shirt and jeans or t-shirt and denim cutoffs is classic for spring and summer, and we are big fans for this casual look. However, the t-shirt that you choose really does matter. So if you are pulling out your old college t-shirts from back in the day, your ratty t-shirts that maybe have some little holes on them or some stains from when your kids were babies, or if you're still pulling out those slogan t-shirts from a few years ago that say it's wine o'clock somewhere, it's time to get rid of those. Those are really going to look very dated. They're not current. They really don't give you like a sophisticated and classy look to your outfit. So we're gonna say to ditch those because they're just not doing you any favors.
Exactly. So a great alternative to those hashtag dog mom t-shirts are some of these other style of style t-shirts. So you can pick up a lot of different styles of t-shirts. They can be everything from a V neckline to a scoop neckline. You can even find some great like off the shoulder neckline style t-shirts. You also want to take a look at some of the materials. So during the spring and summer, you can also find some beautiful ones that are in a linen type of blend to help to keep you cooler. Or if you want to punch it up with some of those color trends, you can also find some very vibrant, beautiful colors that are very popular this year. Particularly fuchsia is a really hot color for this year, so they've got so many different varieties of these great t-shirts that have the different necklines, the different fabrics, and the different color trends that are really going to suit your style and also make you look much more modern.
Well, ladies, we hope you enjoyed this video and got some great information to start looking and feeling your absolute best. And if you enjoyed this, make sure when you're done here, you go and check out our latest Express Spring Haul, where we share some beautiful outfit ideas for you over there as well. And we can't wait to see you in the next video.